Tired of battling stubborn soap scum in your shower? Wet and Forget Shower is the solution you've been looking for. With just a simple spray, you can say goodbye to endless scrubbing and hello to a sparkling clean bathroom. No more struggling with tough stains on glass, porcelain, or fiberglass. Let the powerful formula do the work for you. Not only does Wet and Forget Shower tackle soap scum effortlessly, but it's also safe for most surfaces in your bathroom. Whether you're a homeowner, renter, or just someone with a busy schedule, this product is perfect for keeping your bathroom looking pristine. Say goodbye to the hassle of constant cleaning and hello to a fresh, vanilla-scented space you'll love to relax in. Experience the convenience of a clean bathroom for up to 12 weeks without the stress. Simply spray, leave, and rinse. It's that easy. Make cleaning a breeze with Wet and Forget Shower and enjoy a bathroom that always looks its best. Try it today and discover a new level of cleanliness with minimal effort.